Hello again everybody. We will learn today how to make tables in Excel, then copy and paste it in the Word, Microsoft Word. Okay. First step is to open a new sheet of Excel. We want to write the dimensions. For example, in the hardness test report, so we want to write the material of the specimen. For example, it's pure gold. The initial diameter, you will write it, and the initial height of the specimen, the height of the specimen, the final height of the specimen. After you write these data, select one cell, hold shift, and select these cells. Control copy this and paste it here. Voila, there is a table. If we want to make the borders, right click, select border style, black, then just do like this, and the table will be made instantaneously, so fast, in no seconds. Move it, then stretch it as you wish, select the borders again, and voila, we have finished. If you want to make the font much bigger, like this, awesome. The next one is the results table. You will write the results, numbers. After that, select the first cell, hold shift, select all, copy it, control copy, control C, then control V. Voila, this is the table. Select the border style, make it black, nice and tight. It didn't take much long. Voila, this is the table. After that, stretch it as you wish, then select these columns and rows, change the font, change font size, anything you want, Times New Roman for example. These are the tables. Thank you very much, and goodbye.